Hello students, how are you? Hope so you are well and safe at home. So today on 6th of October, day Tuesday, for class 12th chemistry, we have the next topic of aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acid chapter, that is preparation of ketones. In the last video we have done the topic of preparation of aldehydes and preparation of aldehyde and ketones both. Now we will discuss about preparation of ketones, means only those reactions by which we can form only ketones compounds. Clear? So first of all, preparation of ketones can be done by acid chlorides. Acid chlorides can be form ketones, and acid chlorides also can form aldehydes. Clear? Means acid chlorides is used for both aldehydes as well as ketones, but both have the different methods. Acid chlorides like that RCOCl, when react with dialkyl cadmium, RCOCl when react with dialkyl cadmium, R2CD. R2CD is known as dialkyl cadmium. So this dialkyl cadmium when react with acid chloride, it will convert into COR. Means one R of the dialkyl will substitute in place of the Cl. Clear? And this will convert into RCOCl, R2CD into RCOOR with the removal of CdCl2, that is cadmium chloride. Okay, so acid chloride when react with dialkyl cadmium, it will convert into ketones. Means carbon chain will be increased. Okay, acid chloride when react with dialkyl cadmium, it will convert into ketones, and these ketones have the more number of carbon with respect to this acid chloride. Okay, this cadmium chloride have the tendency to regenerate this dialkyl cadmium. If we react this cadmium chloride with RMgX, means Grignard reagent, if RMgX is reacted with CdCl2, it will convert into R2CD. So this is the preparation method of dialkyl cadmium. Clear? This is preparation of dialkyl cadmium, means this byproduct can be used for formation of this reactant. Clear? So this is the preparation of ketones from acid chlorides. Okay? For example, if we have CH3 COCl, CH3COCl is known as acetyl chloride. This is acetyl chloride. Okay, or in the IUPAC system it is known as ethanoyl chloride. It is known as ethanoyl chloride. So this ethanoyl chloride when react with any one of the dialkyl cadmium, if we used here C2H5 whole twice CD, means diethyl cadmium. This compound is known as diethyl cadmium. So this diethyl cadmium when react with acetyl chloride, it will convert into CH3 CO CH2 CH3 plus CdCl2. Okay, so 2 carbon containing acetyl chloride convert into 4 carbon ketones, because we used here the 2 carbon ethyl cadmium. Okay, so this is the conversion of acetyl chloride into butanone. This compound is butanone that contains the 4 carbon atoms, and this compound has the 2 carbon atoms, that is acetyl chloride. Okay, now the second method is from nitriles, means cyanides. हम cyanide से भी क्या फॉर्म कर सकते हैं? Ketones. If we use cyanides or the nitriles react with RMgX, that is Grignard reagent. So Grignard reagent react with nitriles and then convert into ketones. In this equation also, the reactant that has the less number of carbon atoms convert into the more number of carbon atoms of the ketonic compounds. Okay. So the second method is from nitrile. So any one of the nitrile are C triple bond N. This is the nitrile, or simply we can say cyanides. So this nitrile, when reacted RMgX, this is the Grignard reagent. This is GR or Grignard reagent. So first of all, this partially positive charge, and this is the partially negative charge. Okay, so this partially negative charge will approach on the less polar compound that is on the carbon atom, because of the presence of the multiple bond in between the C and N, the pi bond will be shifted on nitrogen atom, and nitrogen got it negatively charged and carbon contain positively charged. So this nitrogen that is a negatively charged behaves as a nucleophile and react with MgX, and this nucleophile will be attacked on this carbon atom. Okay, so R, C, this C contain R, we can use here the dash, clear, जिससे कि कंफर्म हो जाए कि हम सिमिलर और डिसिमिलर दोनों एल्काइल चेन यूज कर सकते हैं. क्लियर. नाउ out of 3 bonds, the 2 bonds are remaining. Clear. This nitrogen now added with MgX, and this compound undergoes hydrolysis from this side. Clear. So RCO, this side oxygen and this side H2. Clear. So this compound convert into RCOR. Clear. So nitriles, when react with Grignard, it will form ketones, and ketones have the more carbon atoms with compared to nitriles. Clear. So this is the formation of ketones from nitriles. इससे पहले हमने डिस्कशन किया था कि नाइट्राइल से हम एल्डिहाइड भी फॉर्म कर सकते हैं स्टीफन मेथड से. क्लियर. और डिबाल के साथ रिएक्शन करा के वहां पे एल्डिहाइड्स फॉर्म कर रहे थे. अब हम नाइट्राइल का यूज किस लिए कर रहे हैं? नाइट्राइल्स का यूज कर रहे हैं कीटोन्स बनाने के लिए भी, लेकिन क्या है, मेथड चेंज है. क्लियर. Now if we talk about a simple compound, that is CH3 C triple bond N, that is methyl cyanide, or simply say it is ethane nitrile. It is ethane nitrile. Okay, so this is the IUPAC name of CH3Cl, that is ethane nitrate, or simply say it is methyl cyanide. This compound is methyl cyanide. If this compound is react with CH3MgBr, methyl magnesium bromide, it is a Grignard reagent. Methyl magnesium bromide. So this negatively charged part, that is CH3, will be attacked on the carbon atom, and this nitrogen approaches to MgBr. So CH3 C contains CH3 with the double bond and Mg and Br. Okay, so CH3 will be attacked on the carbon atom, and MgBr will be react with nitrogen and will form this intermediate. Clear. And this compound undergoes hydrolysis from this side this side the breaking of chain will be takes place and it will convert into CH3 C double bond O, that is acetone. This compound convert into acetone. Clear? So see here, 2 carbon ethane convert into 3 carbon propanone. Clear? So this ethane nitrile convert into propanone with the 1 carbon atom is more compared to this compound. Clear? So this is the second method for the formation of ketones from nitriles. In the second method, we can use hydrocarbons, that will be benzene or derivatives of the benzene. All the compounds undergoes Friedel-Crafts acylation. What is Friedel-Crafts acylation? If any of the aromatic compounds undergoes react with RCOCl, that is acid chlorides, in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, in presence of the anhydrous Lewis acid, then hydrocarbon aromatic compounds have tendency to attain RCO group, that is acyl group. Clear? And this acyl group convert into ketones. Okay? Suppose if we have this compound, that is toluene, methylbenzene. So methylbenzene can react with CH3COCl. Clear? Or simply we can say any one of the acid chloride like that RCOCl. Okay? So in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, this RCO group will be attacked on ortho or para position because CH3 group is present. What is CH3? CH3 is electron donating group. So electron donating group have the tendency to increase electron density on ortho and para position. Clear? So electrophile will be attacked at ortho or para position. So in this case, in case of the toluene means the benzene contains CH3 group. So in presence of this group, that is CH3 group, this benzene is ortho para director. So RCO group will be attacked on ortho positions or para positions. So see here, RCO group, that is acylinium ion, will be attacked on ortho position or para position. Clear? So this para compound is major compound compared to this one. If we use this CH3, so we write here in place of R, CH3. Clear? It means this compound is acetophenone. Benzene with COCH3 is known as acetophenone. So this is the para condition now. Clear? Because it is a main group with respect to CH3CO, this is the para condition. So this compound is para-methyl acetophenone. Clear? And this is para-orthomethyl acetophenone. Clear? In place of this R, if there is a CH3, so this compound is known as orthomethyl acetophenone. So simply we can say benzene with COCH3 is known as acetophenone. Clear? And this is the first aromatic compound that contain the ketonic group. Clear? This is the first aromatic compound that contain ketonic group. Clear? So this is the acetophenone. Acetophenone means benzene with COCH3. So this is Friedel-Crafts acylation. When acylinium ion attacked in presence of anhydrous condition on aromatic compounds, this reaction is known as Friedel-Crafts acylation. So all these are the preparation of aldehydes, ketones, and both for aldehyde and ketones. Clear? Now we will discuss about the physical properties and chemical properties of aldehyde ketones, and next that is a carboxylic acid. Clear? Thank you, students.